Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ahmad Saifuddin, NIM 2021 53155. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang pengertian Basic Form Accounting dan cara mendevelopingnya. Pertama, Basic Form Accounting. Kenapa Basic Form Accounting, Basic Form dan Accounting ini sangat penting untuk kemajuan bisnis? Caranya yaitu know how profitable your business loans and grants. Mengetahui keuntungan bisnis kamu, dan securing business and grants. Membantu dan membuat bisnis kamu jadi bagus. Avoid cash crisis. Mengatasi krisis keuangan. Makes preparing tax return so much easier. Untuk membuat persiapan menjadi lebih mudah. Achieve financial goals, menolong untuk mendapatkan financial goal, alias finansial itu ya financial goal. Becoming financial sustainable, kunci menjadi financial sustainable. Pertama, understand basic accounting, mengerti apa itu basic accounting. Track and measure your progress, menjalankan dan measure your progress kalian. Develop a system to track your expenses, membuat sistem untuk mendevelop sistem kamu. Plan for growth and profit, membuat rencana untuk berkembang dan untung. Income statement summaries operating revenue and expenses. Revenue, kebutuhan net sales, seeds atau seedling atau penanaman lah. Products or other products or resell. Operating expenses, direct operating, labor, occupancy, repair and maintenance, income tax. Operating income sama dengan revenue kurang expenses. Other income and expenses. Net income sama dengan operating income plus other income atau expenses. Statement of cash flow. Cash flow from operation, cash flow dari operasi. Inflow kurang revenue, outflow kurang operating expenses. Cash flow from investment, dari investment. Inflow sale of equipment dikurang sale of equipment, outflow dikurang purchase of ELA. Cash flow from financing. Inflow cash received from loans, grants and investor. Outflow repayment of loans. Expanded accounting equation. Debit normal balance, credit normal balance. Left side, right side. Assets sama dengan liabilities plus owners equality. Capital. Assets, liabilities plus net income kurang expenses plus capital. Assets, liability plus income expenses plus capital. Assets plus expenses sama dengan liabilities, income plus capital. Disingkat ALIS. Assets, liabilities, income, capital, expenses. Developing a system. Kita akan developing sistem yang akan kita buat. Pricing to determine crop profitably. Cost of getting crops the ground by acre. Seeds, penanaman atau benih-benih. Seedling penanaman. Fertilizer, amendments, stackers, labor, transplanting atau planting, weeding. Getting the crop to market by cash atau per pound. Packaging, pengemasan, labor, harvesting, packaging, distribution, mendistribusi. Contohnya ini tomat, kita menanam tomat. Agricultural plants 1 acre, yield 34 cash sama dengan 25 lbs each per week, didapatkan per minggu. Harvesting season, pemanenan musim panen per sama dengan 8 weeks, 8 minggu. Conversions 1 acre sama dengan 272 cash sama dengan 6.800 pounds. Field cost seasonal by the acre. Labor. Starting seed penanaman bibit awal $20, $20, withering pengairan $20, transplanting $60, staking $40, weeding $40, potting soil atau trays $100, seeds $60, black plastic atau amendment untuk membungkus $50, Total cost per acre per acre 3.90 dolar. Cost per cash $1.43. Bill cost by the cash atau per pound. Labor 12 per hour, sekitar $12 per jam. Harvesting 15 menit per cash per kasus. Starting atau packaging pengemasan 10 menit per cash, $5 per cash. Supplies, ini secara supplies pengiriman packaging $60, 60 sen per cash. Pengemasan total cash cost, total biaya sekitar $5, 60 sen per cost per kasus. Pricing strategy, HL cost, production per access cost plus sama dengan plus cash atau pound cost sama dengan base price. Per acre cost kurang sama dengan $1.43. Per acre cost, per cash cost $5.60. Total base price $7.03. Ini ditambah ini. Do market research, compare your best price with competition other farmers market, grocery store, etc. Set yourself apart by showing your added value. Distribution cost, biaya untuk mendistribusikan, wholesale. Calls to customer atau place order sama dengan 10 menit. Menelpon sedikit customer untuk mengkonfirmasi 10 menit. Packaging atau pengemasan atau loading truck sama dengan 10 menit. Delivery time, waktu pengiriman sekitar 40 menit. Full $5. Truck expenses total basic cost per market sama dengan $17. Delivery one cash based on $7.03 per cash base price. Ini per cash per kasus. Sale price, penjualan per one cash itu sekitar $25. Gross profit, keuntungan kotornya sekitar $17.97. Pengiriman $17, keuntungan $97. Nah, delivery of 10 cash, pengiriman sekitar 10 kasus, gross profit sekitar 179 sen, delivery 17 sen, profit 162 sen. Nah, kalau menjual lebih banyak, keuntungannya lebih banyak. Creating a budget, membuat budget. Review previous year if your first year use estimates. Consider change for incoming years, expanding into another market. Outline revenue, expenses, capital purchase, financing, check cash flow at least per bulan. Adjust as necessary. Troubleshooting, profitability and forecasting. Menyelesaikan masalah, profitability and forecasting. Revenue going up, itu berjalan mundur atau menurun bisnisnya. COGS, are you marking operational item enough? Apakah kamu menjual item yang cukup? Operating expenses, operasi yang bagus. What are the major expenses? Operating profit is a positive, apakah itu positif? Other income and expenses, are they driving a loss? Thank you. Terima kasih, saya telah makalah ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.